Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're all about souping up your computer so it runs like a dream. Whether you're gaming, designing, or just browsing, a sluggish computer can really slow you down. But don't worry, we've got you covered with the top 5 simple techniques to enhance your system's performance. Stick around because you'll definitely want to know how switching to SSD could be a game changer. All right, let's dive in with our first tip, keeping your operating system up to date. Many people underestimate how crucial those regular patches and updates are. They often include security enhancements and efficiency improvements. To make sure you're all set, go to your settings, head to Update and Security, and enable automatic updates. This little habit keeps your system secure and optimizes performance without you lifting a finger. Next up, let's declutter. Unused or unnecessary software is like a leech on your computer's resources. Check out your apps in the control panel and identify what you haven't used in the last 6 months. Goodbye bloatware, hello free space, and a faster system. And remember, lightening that software load is a quick win for boosting your computer's performance. One sneaky culprit of slow performance is unnecessary startup programs. When your computer boots up, it shouldn't feel like it's dragging a ball and chain. Open your Task Manager, navigate to the Startup tab, and disable any unneeded programs. This ensures your computer starts with a bang, not a whimper, speeding up boot times significantly. If you're looking for a performance jolt, consider upgrading to a solid-state drive, SSD. Unlike traditional hard disk drives, HDDs, SSDs offer dramatic improvements in read-write speeds. This means faster boot times, reduced application load times, and a generally more responsive system. When choosing an SSD, consider storage needs and form factor. And don't worry about installation. It's often simpler than you think. Drivers are essentially the translators between your hardware and operating system, making sure everything runs smoothly. An outdated driver can lead to strange errors and hiccups. Navigate to your device manager and check for updates on all hardware components. You can also make life easier by using trusted software to handle automatic driver updates. The often overlooked tip: keeping your hardware clean. Over time, dust and debris can clog your system, leading to overheating and diminished performance. Use compressed air to clean internal components like fans and heat sinks, but handle everything with care to avoid static discharge. Regular cleaning keeps your system cool and running efficiently. So there you have it, folks. 5 straightforward and effective strategies to enhance your computer's performance. Customize and personalize these steps based on your needs, and soon enough, you'll notice a big difference. Let us know in the comments how these tips worked for you, or share your own hacks. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this, and hit that like button if you found value today.